I am just draining off the oil and excess liquid from a pound of ground beef. And to that, we're going to be adding, I love this taco branding. It reminds me of the old Taco Bell's logo. I don't know if you remember that. Go ahead and mix all of that together. 1 can of diced tomatoes. This is, I'm not draining the can at all, so you're going to use all the liquid. You're also going to add a second can. You can use the second can of just the regular diced. I just happen to have the petite diced in my pantry, so that's what I'm using. Go ahead and mix all of that together. While that's simmering, we're just going to add just a teaspoon or so of minced garlic. Goes in there. Smells so good in here already, you guys. It's gonna be the easiest Taco Tuesday dinner because you can make it all in just this one pot. If you don't have a pot that can go into an oven, go ahead and use like a casserole dish. And now we're going to be adding our main ingredient today, which is a bag of frozen cheese tortellini. Just put them in while they're still frozen and give that a really, really quick stir. I'm going to be adding just a little bit more flavor with this Fiesta Blend cheese. This is a 2-cup bag, so we're just going to go ahead and add half a bag and give that just a quick toss. So you get a little bit of cheese in between all of the cheese tortellini. Our final step, just going to be adding the rest of that bag of cheese right on top. Spread that all across the top like that. Go ahead and turn off the heat. And this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven, just like it is, for about 20 minutes, just to make sure everything is heated through and the cheese is super melty. Oh yeah, it smells so good in here, guys. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh, see that cheesy goodness. To that, we're just gonna be adding just a little bit of lime juice. Just a sprinkle all the way on top, just to brighten things up. And then also some cilantro. If you're not a cilantro person, you can use parsley. Just go ahead and sprinkle this all across the top. Look at how pretty that looks. And you know what we're gonna do next? Seriously, doesn't this look amazing? Go ahead and dig in. Got my spoon. Ugh. I love tortellini to begin with, so making it kind of like a Taco Tuesday version. Oh, look at all that cheese. And it was so easy to make too. Okay, you can add some sour cream to this if you want. I'm gonna kind of lean a little bit more Italian-ish, I guess. You just leave that out. But get a piece of that tortellini. So good.